Hi, my name is Esteban, a senior at Francisco Bravo Medical Magnet High School and a student in the STAR and EHA Biotechnology Pathway. Follow me. When I was in middle school, I was planning to attend a different high school. But after learning about the STAR and EHA Biotechnology Pathway and hearing about the amazing opportunities through this program, I knew Bravo was where I wanted to be. The Biotechnology Pathway gives students hands-on experience in science, in research, and in career preparation. We learn laboratory techniques like microscopy, electrophoresis, specimen preparation and dissection, while also developing skills in coding, data analysis, scientific writing, and amazing presentations. What makes this pathway unique is that we're not just learning science from a textbook. We're applying everything we learn in the classroom to real-world experiences and beyond. One of the most incredible parts of the program is the opportunity to work along researchers at USC. Many days begin in our biotechnology class at Bravo before continuing with research experiences just steps away at one of the nation's leading research institutions. So I work at USC's Center for Craniofacial Molecular Biology in the Dr. Chai Lab, where I study genetic factors involved in cleft palate development. Through this experience, I've learned advanced laboratory techniques such as genotyping, tissue preparation, immunofluorescence, microscopy, and scientific analysis. These are skills most students don't even get to encounter until college or grad school. The opportunities I found through Bravo opened doors I never once imagined. In addition to conducting research at USC, I now work part-time as a researcher at Children's Hospital Los Angeles. I understood how science can directly improve lives, and it strengthened my interest in pursuing medicine and scientific research. This fall, I'll be continuing that journey at Stanford University, where I plan to major in human biology and further my interests in science, in research, and in healthcare. To all you younger students, don't be afraid of opportunities that seem difficult or out of reach. And remember, you don't have to have everything figured out. Stay curious, work hard, ask questions, and take chances. Those opportunities that seem most intimidating today might be the ones that change your life tomorrow.
See you at school!